All right, guys, so I had to show you these. I found these on Amazon. They're called Lori dolls, and they kind of look like miniature. They're like 6-inch dolls. They look like miniature, like American Girl dolls, or like what are those? Our Generations from Target. They're adorable. And the little pieces that come with it. I'm gonna open these. I just kind of wanted to show you this real quick, but I got these on Amazon. I use my Fetch rewards, and that's how I get like gift cards and stuff for Amazon. So just FYI, check out Fetch. I have my link in my profile, so check it out. You'll get like some uh points or whatever. I don't know how it works, but just check it out because that's how I get a lot of stuff from Amazon. I just scan my receipts and then transfer and make gift cards, get gift cards for them. So just wanted to kind of show you what the boxes look like. And this one's a little bit torn up, but it's okay. So I'm going to open them up and then I will be back because I'm using one hand. So let me open them and then I will be back to show you what the pieces look like individually. I don't know what just happened, but my camera went out. So you get the doll and you get the thermos, which is super cute. And you get, the cooler, a thermos, 2 cans of pop, a burger, 2 s'mores forks, a compass, Jiffy Pop, and a lantern. And then she has her outfit. They do have sets that don't have dolls, and then they do have dolls separately. So just FYI. And if I remember, I'll put like a screen record of what else they have available, but that's if I remember. So then this is Cornelia's kitchen set, and you get the doll, which she's cute, brunette with pigtails, a cute little pants, shirts, and an apron with some pink little like loafers or sneakers. You get this adorable stove. Now, I will say the sets are kind of weird because they don't have like a complete kitchen set with like the fridge and the sink or anything like that, but you get a stove with this one. And again, I'll show you the other sets that they have so you can open up the oven there. Let's see if you can open this one. Oh, you can open the other one, and they do have removable racks. And then there's I can't get it. I'm scared I'm gonna break my nail. I think it opens, but I can't get it open. So there's a little cabinet there. I don't know if it has shelves or not. I'm not gonna break my nail. I'm trying to figure that out. So, and then you get 3 burners that have, I guess, 5 burners technically. So you get like one big burner and then 4 small ones, I guess is how it's broken down. So you get that, and then you get the doll, and you get a cooking spoon, a spatula, a pot, a loaf of bread. Oh, this is cute. I didn't even see this. So you get a um not a crock pot. What's this called? Like a Dutch oven. And then there is a lid for it. Some of her hair came off. It does have a lid. That is adorable. So it does have a lid. Super cute. And then you get a pizza in, a pan, and it does come out. And it does have one slice cut out. So you get the pan and you get the one slice. And I will say, so this is everything you get with this one. And again, if I can think of it, or if I remember, I'll put a screen record of some of the other pieces that you get, or all the other sets that you can find. But I'm going to say this. These are like all my teeny tinies and whatnot that I've gotten from Five Below, and like my little Dollar Tree pieces, the totally tinies from there and all that. I'm going to say that the shish kebabs from the barbecue set would go well with this camping set, and they fit perfectly, like for her hand. Then the corn on the cob from the Dollar Tree would work good. All these little pieces would work great for them. They're about the right size for them. I think these are little gummy bears. Hot dog, let's see. So the hot dog is a good size. I mean, all these little tiny, totally tinies and teeny tinies or whatever they're called, they're going to work great. So you can make a whole little set with all these little pieces. So definitely check out Amazon. Again, I have a link. I have my Amazon storefront. They're in there under Dollhouse Supplies, and then check out the Fetch Rewards so you can get Amazon gift cards and not have to spend all your monies. So you get money, you get rewarded for spending money. So you scan your receipts and then they give you points for those things. So it's a win-win. And then, yeah, so all of these little pizza oven, these saucers are, I mean, these pots are a good size for this as well. So guys, these little sets are going to go great with these Lori dolls. Like I said, the dolls are 6 inches. They look big here, but they're 6 inches. I haven't put them in my dollhouse yet because I just got them. So let me, I can maybe take a picture of one of them in my dollhouse, kind of set up, probably this one because it has a stove. But again, they don't come with like a fridge and a sink. It's just a stove, or you get like a bedroom set and all it has is like a bed and a dresser. And then I think the bathroom set has like the tub and the sink, but no toilet. So it's kind of weird. The sets are a little off, but nonetheless, cute sets, good size, if not for anything but the extra pieces, maybe not even the dolls. You can kind of display the dolls and use the pieces. Like I said, they match really well or fit really well with all this other stuff from the Totally Tinies and the, what are they called? Teeny Tinies, whatever they're called. But yeah, so check it out and comment down below and let me know if you've ever seen these before. Do you have any? And let me know. All right. See you guys later. Until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.